Revelation, January 6, 2012. Heard in a vision a word with the pronunciation of papage or papagi. The closest words refers to peoples and weather patterns, from southward in the USA to northern South USA. Interpretation: Northern South America will experience major elemental disasters shortly. This will automatically involve Mexico. It will include storm force winds as well as quakes, but not exclusive to these only. June 27, 2012. A magnitude 5.7 earthquake has struck El Salvador at a depth of 160.5 kilometers. The epicenter was 4 kilometers.